Alright, so how do we put these things together? And you can see that right here I have 3 pieces together, and then later I will connect these 2 ends, and that will form the triangular module. So first, this takes a little bit of patience, and you have to understand that this will be the tab. This is the tab, and with this tab I'm going to go ahead and usually I would put glue on the top, but I'm going to go ahead and put glue down on the bottom, right in here. All the way to that edge. And the tab, or the pocket, this is the tab, and this is the pocket. The pocket is just behind this little cone. So we're going to do that, and we're going to go and put it right in there. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that point goes to the center, and that you push it up. It should stay hidden right in here. It should not be like that where you see the blue hanging out and curved, so it should just line up really well right in here. And we're going to press down, and you're going to see that it's right there. That's where it's at. It's right behind it. Seems a little confusing, but remember, this point should go right onto the ending of this cone. I'm going to do the other one now, and this is where you can kind of get lost and be confused. Again, I'm going to take this flap, put glue behind it, take the cone, it's going to go behind the cone, and you know, it's also resting on the bottom here, so it rests here and it goes up. You can see that, right? And it should be right around there. And then once this is dry, okay, here's my flap. But before I connect it, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and crease this, because it is going to fold right there like a triangle. So I'm going to crease this one, and I am going to crease this one. And when I crease it, this does happen, this little folding right in there. Okay. And this is going to be tricky right in here, because now I have to kind of fold this in here. You can see how tricky this is. And so before I put glue, I'm going to go ahead and try to match that. Alright, you see that triangle right there? Listen, take some patience. It is difficult, but I suggest you glue all 3 pieces together, let it dry, then do this last part, because once this is dry, it helps you go ahead and you know, bend and fold and manipulate the paper as best you can. So here's my piece, and oops, here's my piece ready to go. And now I begin connecting with all of these flaps.